If the customer is interested, you'll take their state-issued ID or driver's license, scan it on the tablet, and proceed with the application. The customer will then enter their phone number and email address, and with the click of a button, they'll get to see what they got pre-approved for. It's that fast. At Sunbit, we don't affect a person's credit score for checking their options. This means a customer can see if they're approved or declined without a hard credit check. Next, you'll enter the cost, and in a moment, the customer will see financing options for 3, 6, and 12 monthly payments. The customer chooses one of the payment plan options, reviews their monthly payments and due dates, down payment due today, and the finance charge, APR, and dollar amount. Totally transparent, all in one place. For the automatic monthly payments, they'll choose their preferred repayment method. The customer reviews the final contract, they confirm the down payment, and that finishes the process.